How to open Chase bank account online. So if you want to open Chase bank account online, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. On your browser, you need to go with search and search for Chase Bank. Once you search for Chase Bank, you'll have this kind of interface, or you can just simply go with chase.com, which will directly take you to the website. Now here you need to click on open an account, or you can also scroll down and you can simply choose business, credit cards, checking, travel, savings, and everything. So I'll just simply go with savings account. Click on open now, which is right here. And if you want to open your account, then first you'll need to have a social security number and your driver's license or state ID. So make sure you have these. And if you don't have, then you won't be able to open up your account. Now, if you're an existing customer, then you can go with yes, sign in. But if you're not an existing customer, go with no and then go with get started. Now you need to enter your first and last name. And if you have your middle name, you can enter your middle name and the suffix, which is optional. Now you need to go with next, and then you need to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth with month, date, and year. Once you've selected, now you need to go with next, and you need to enter your contact info, like your email address and your mobile number. After that, go with next, and then you need to enter your home address, your street, your city, your zip code, and your state. You just need to simply select your state and go with next. And you need to tell about the citizenship status. So if you are a US citizen, you just need to simply go with yes, or if you're not, you can go with no. After that, click on next, and you need to enter your social security number, and then click on next. And after that, it will ask you your driver's license and everything. And once you enter all of the information, you can just go with next, next, and then your account will be created. In this way, you'll be able to open up your Chase bank account online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.